In this video, I want to show you how to merge video, and I want to make this as easy and quick for you as possible. So let's jump straight in. So here's what's coming up. Why merge video? How to merge video? How to edit your merged video, where I'm going to be showing you how to cut unwanted footage, how to add text, and lastly, how to export your merged video. Why merge video? So you're probably watching this video because you want to learn how to merge video. This could be because you want to edit an interview that you've just done. Maybe you want to edit a vlog for YouTube. Well, I'm going to show you all of this right now, quickly and easily. How to merge video. So what you want to do is head over to VEED.io and create a free account. You can search for it on Google, or I've put a link in the description for you. Now when you're there, click on New Project and upload the video or videos that you want to merge. And now you'll notice that you've got a timeline at the bottom. Your video is on the right here, and you've got some really cool tools on the left. These tools are really going to help you with merging your videos, but also making them stand out. So now I'm going to show you how to merge video. And let's start by increasing our timeline. So we're going to make it bigger so we can see more of our clips and what we're working with. So at the moment I've got one video clip in here. Now to add another video clip, I'm going to click on the plus icon right here. And then I'm going to select the video clip that I want to use. Then I'm going to click on the plus again and upload the other video, and so on. So this is basically how to merge video. You just start on the first clip and you would find where you want that particular clip to start. So let's say I wanted it to start there. I would click on that clip and then click on split, and it's going to remove the first part. If I click on delete now, so I've just edited my first video clip. So that's going to start from there, and then I do the same from where I want that clip to end. So I'm going to put it right about there, click on it again and click on split, and I'm going to remove that next part. So for this last clip, another way you can edit and cut the unwanted footage is by clicking and dragging the end of the clip over to the left or to the right, and that will cut out the unwanted footage that you don't want. And you've basically just learned how to merge video. It's that quick and easy. So there you go. I've made a really quick little video about a surfer going out for a surf. And as you can see, one of these clips is actually slightly in slow motion. And actually I've just made a video about how to slow-mo videos. You can go check that out. How to edit your merged video. So now I'm going to show you how to add text, how to resize your video, and then how to color correct your video. So on the left, as I said, you've got lots of different tools. Let's click on text, and let's just click on headline to show you this example. So I've added a headline to my video, and on the timeline you can see I've got a headline element right there, so I can resize the same as I did with the video. I can move it around and so on. So I'm going to make it the full length of the video, and I'm going to edit this headline. I'm going to drag it to the top there. Over on the left here I can change the size of my headline like that. I can bold it, I can change the font, and I can write whatever I want. Just like that, and then I can resize it using these handles right here. And I can change the color of the text right here as well if I want to. Just like that, it's that easy. How quick was that? So that's how you can add text. Now I'm going to show you how you can color correct your footage. And this is amazing. Let's go to filters, and here are some predefined filters that you can use on all of your footage. So as you can see, if I click on this, it's going to change the colors of my footage. You can also edit how much of this filter that you want applied to your footage, so that's really useful as well. And also if you click on your footage and go to adjust at the top, it gives you even more control over the exposure, the brightness, the contrast and the saturation of your video. And this means you can really get the look that you're after for your video. It's incredible. As you can see, the dimensions of this video are perfect for YouTube. But what if you wanted to use it on Instagram? I'm going to now show you how you can resize it to use on Instagram or anywhere else. So if you go to settings again, and then size, and then click on story 9:16, that is going to resize the canvas. And then all you need to do is resize the footage just like that. You might want to resize the text as well now. Make that slightly bigger so it fits. There we go. And that is exactly how to merge video. So when you're finished, all you need to do is click on export and then export video at the bottom, and VEED will export your video in the best settings possible, ready for you to use anywhere you like. So I really hope this video has helped you. If it did, please give it a quick like and hit subscribe to see all our future videos. We've got loads more coming up. I'd love to know how you found learning how to merge video. If you've got any questions, tips or suggestions for me, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.